Alright, in this video, I would like to show you how to calculate compound interest. So as you can see that I'm going to do question number 13. And this is a 2023 paper, 0580, paper 2. Okay, let's zoom into question number 13. Okay, then let's look at it. So Anya invests $6,000 in an account that pays compound interest at a rate of R% per year. So it's important to highlight the important things. So invest $6,000, compound interest R% per year. At the end of 8 years, the account has earned $621.70 in interest. Calculate the value of R. So the important thing to note is the formula. So in this case, we have the formula of A is equals to P1 plus R over 100N. So let's take a look here. This A is actually the total amount. This total amount is actually the principal plus the interest. Okay, this P is the principal amount, which is in this case the starting amount, which is $6,000. Okay, R is the interest rate. Interest rate. And N is the number of periods that this interest will compound. So for this particular question, I can say that the total amount will be $6,621.70, and is equals to 6,001 plus R over 100, and the number of period in this case is 8 years, so 8. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is that I will make the whole expression with R on the left hand side. Then I will divide by 6,000 or to the other side. So I'll have 6621.70 divided by 6,000. And this will, using a calculator, 6621.7 divided by 6,000. Okay, I'll have 1.1036. Okay, this is 5SF. Okay, now how do I get rid of this 8 over here? So I will do the 8th root. Okay, so I'll have the 8th root of 1.1036. Okay, now using the calculator again, so we have to find the 8th root. So 1.1036, and I find the 8th root. Okay, and the value over here will be 1.01235 SF, and this will be 1 plus R over 100. So now I minus 1 to the other side, so R over 100 will be 0.0123. So yeah, I continue this side, so R will be 1.233 SF. So answer for R will be 1.23%, but we will drop the percent because the percentage is already written down here. So if we look at it, so this particular investment is actually paying 1.23% compounded per year, and in this case N is 8. Your A will be including your principal plus your interest given in the question, so it will be 6621.70, principal amount 6,000, and we are supposed to find R. So the key to this question is actually how do you actually, from this step, how do you move on to the next step? We have to find the 8th root. So this particular step over here is actually the key. All right, I hope you benefited from how to find compound interest. So hopefully you'll get the next question right. Thank you.